Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Grave meddling. Full story. A young girl was living in Hope v. Portland, Jamaica. There was a family land that had the graves of her grandparents and cousins who passed away. Her side of the family and the other side of the family couldn't get along. The other side of the family was jealous and bad-minded because her grandfather traveled to farm work for 26 years, and he built a nice-size house for his family to live in even though he once was less fortunate than them. One morning between 7 to 10 in the morning, the young girl was outside washing her clothes when she heard noises. She looked through the zinc fence and saw one of her nephews from the other side of the family. He was dancing and chanting words. When he finally turned to her direction, his eyes were rolled over and all she could see was all white. He kept on chanting and had something in a clear bag. He emptied it beside their granny's headstone and slapped the grave 2 times and said, "Do as I asked," in a commanding way. She missed a step. He heard her footstep. He then looked towards the fence where she was standing. She said, "I see you," and he ran off. A few days later, he was found in his house foaming out of his mouth, eyes rolled over. He survived, but to this day, she never saw him at the grave site again.
Like and follow for more.